How to reduce lag in Fisch Roblox. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. If you're experiencing lag while fishing, here's how you can fix it. Go to the game and launch it. After that, start by opening the menu, copying my settings that I'm displaying on the screen. If you don't adjust your settings, you'll likely experience significant lag. I highly recommend disabling the WA as it can cause lag, and additionally, it's essential to turn off catch flags. When enabled, catch flags can worsen lag, as you can see with the flags on the island, and by disabling them, you will no longer see those distracting flags. To do this, simply scroll down a bit more in the settings, adjust the 4% setting as needed, and if you're still lagging, go to the Roblox settings and change them to automatic. This will allow the game to run at a decent performance level, significantly improving your FPS. However, if lag persists, you may need to switch back to manual and lower the settings. Keep in mind that this may also reduce the game's visual quality. The best settings can depend on your computer's capabilities as well. So that's how you can fix lag while fishing. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.